Exercise of Chapter 7, Class 5th. Question 1. Question A. Tick the correct answer. First question is: we apply powder on carom board. Options: to make the board look white. B option: to make the striker move slow. C option: to make the carom look beautiful. And D: to make the striker move fast. Its answer is D, to make the striker move fast. Question 2. The upward push of water on a floating object is called dash. Options are gravitational force, buoyant force, magnetic force, frictional force. Its answer is buoyant force. Question 3. The force of attraction applied by Earth on a body is called dash. Options are magnetic force, frictional force, solar force, gravitational force. Its answer is gravitational force. Question 4. A fan runs on. Options are wind energy, electrical energy, sound energy, solar energy. Its answer is electrical energy. A fan runs on electrical energy. Question number 5. A lever has dash. Options are fulcrum, load, effort, all of these. Its answer is all of these. Question 6. A simple machine with two inclined plane placed side by side is dash. Options are pulley, wheel and axle, lever, wedge. Its answer is wedge. Question 7. Dash is used to lift a car and other heavy object. Options are wedge, lever, inclined plane, screw jack. Children, its answer is screw jack. Question 8. The mechanism of dash is used on flagpole to hoist the flag. Options are screw, pulley, wedge, lever. Its answer is pulley. The mechanism of pulley is used on flagpole to hoist the flag. Now children, question B, match the following. Column A, column B. First is burning fuel. Burning fuel, its match is heat energy. Burning fuel, heat energy. Second is ability to do work. Its match is energy. Ability to do work is energy. Third is stereo system. Stereo system matches sound energy. Stereo system matches sound energy. Fourth is slows down moving object. Slows down moving object is frictional force. Fifth is water in a dam. Water in a dam, potential energy. Water in a dam, potential energy. Now question C. Write T for true or F for false statement. First one is: an inclined plane is a steep slope that helps to reduce work. Children, its answer is false. Inclined plane is a flat slope. Now second is: a seesaw is an example of first class lever. The statement is true. Third, a pulley is a wheel with a groove around its outer edge. This statement is again true. Fourth, in any of the three levers, the fulcrum is always found between the load and the effort. The statement is false. Now question D. Fill in the blanks. First, dash is done when something is moved through a distance. When something is moved through a distance, then dash is done. Answer is work. W-O-R-K. Work. Work is done. Question 2. Dash force tries to stop the moving object. Answer is frictional. F-R-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-L. Frictional force. Third question. The energy from the sun is known as dash energy. Its answer is solar energy. The energy from the sun is known as solar energy. Question 4. When the fulcrum is between the load and effort, it is dash class lever. Answer is first class lever. It is first class lever. Question 5. Dash is commonly used to draw water from the well. Its answer is pulley. Pulley is commonly used to draw water from the well. Question 6. Dash lever has effort in the middle. Answer is third class. Third class lever has effort in the middle. Seventh question is a screwdriver is an example of dash. A screwdriver is an example of first class lever. Now question E. Give 3 examples of. Children, in this question you have to tell three examples of every simple machine. First is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle's examples are egg beater, door knob, grinding machine. Egg beater, door knob and grinding machine. Wedge. Its examples are blade, knife and axe. First class lever. Its examples are scissor, hammer and seesaw. Scissor, hammer and seesaw. Second class lever. Examples are wheelbarrow, nutcracker, bottle opener. Wheelbarrow, nutcracker, bottle opener. Third class lever. Stapler, ice tong and forceps. Stapler, ice tongs and forceps. Inclined plane. Its examples are ramp, road on hilly areas and staircase. Staircase, road on hilly areas and ramp. These are the examples of inclined plane.